This is something even Salman said कि हमारी पिक्चरें वहाँ नहीं चलती, so वहाँ से एक
नहीं
आप लोग
बिना
वैसे
चले
लग रहे हैं,
कैसे
हाँ।
उतना बड़े सुपरस्टार बन 100% चलते हैं. So we always watch films. हर एक जो ये कुछ होता है, ये दिल तो पागल है, all these films are blockbusters in Hyderabad. ये जो साउथ को जो प्यार मिल रहा है अभी, ये recent है. मगर जो बॉलीवुड को प्यार मिलता है साउथ में,
पहले से।
वो तो decades से है.
There is no rule that if you were a part of a blockbuster, that doesn't guarantee you or it doesn't materialize or convert into movies for you. बोलते हैं मियाँ कि क्यों मार डाल दिया आपको, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, आप नहीं मरना चाहिए, तो they say that. But अगर मैं नहीं मरती,
प्रशांत को पूछना है वो question,
है ना, हाँ, क्यों प्रशांत ने मार डाला रीना को? बट ठीक है ना, वो मरने से फिर वो ट्रिगर हो
बहुत
गए.
सताया होगा शूट में,
क्या?
डेट्स या
कुछ मैंने नहीं किया, आप ऐसे मेरा वो क्यों आप नाम खराब कर रहे हो?
देखिए आप राइट वॉइस ऑन इंटरव्यू ओनली.
कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. वो प्रशांत ने 2016 में जब मुझे नरेशन दिया था तभी रीना मर गई थी.
अच्छा.
तो आई रिमेम्बर स्टिल व्हेन ही टोल्ड हो गया आपका कैरेक्टर, आई एम लाइक पहली मूवी में, बिकॉज तभी तो 2 पार्ट्स का नहीं था, एक ही मूवी था. रीना विल कम एज.
Hello everyone, this is me Simran Singh and today we have with us a terrific duo, blockbuster duo. अभी से ही देख के लगता है because we have with us Nani and we have Srinidhi Shetty. They are with their new film hit The Third Case. Thank you so much guys for joining. बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
प्लेजर, थैंक यू.
From a presenter, producer to a main lead hit. आप जर्नी किस तरीके से देखते हैं? Because अर्जुन सरकार की एंट्री हुई थी when Adivi leaves, अर्जुन सरकार enters. Hit 2 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ and now he is the man,
correct,
the only hope to in this hit.
Yeah.
How do you look upon to this journey?
When I did hit second case, then the climax came. We didn't think of the third case or anything. We didn't have the story of it basically, but we thought that will give a nice high in the climax of hit 2, and then I've done it. But and I'm the producer of 1 and 2 also, so obviously I had to do it. But now I think when Sailesh came and pitched me this idea, it really excited me, and he was also equally excited. So we thought, let's make this film, and then Srinidhi also joined. So we all are here just before the release of the film, very excited.
Yeah.
With
10 more days to go? 10 more days to go?
Yeah, 10 more days
10
to
days
go.
to go.
Not
Yeah,
even
nice.
10 actually, technically speaking.
Yeah.
But so we are very happy that we took this over, and the way the film has shaped up. We're extremely excited to see the audience reactions because it's a very new genre, and even generally it's a very new genre, but also even for the hit world, it's extremely new. 1 and 2 were investigative thrillers. Even third one is investigative thriller, but it turns into something else by the end of the film. It becomes I don't know how to put it. I think it's better to watch it. Yeah.
Sure. Because you're going all out. I've seen the trailer. अच्छा, ये जो trailer में dialogue in Hindi I've seen कि अब की बार अर्जुन सरकार. What was the dialogue in Telugu? Is it the same?
It is अब की बार अर्जुन सरकार.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा. That was a very good line. अब की बार अर्जुन सरकार. Nice. Okay, Srinidhi, आपसे सवाल बनता है. The blockbuster girl. This is your 4th film, right? But 3 साल लग गए आपको मतलब एक next film करना after KGF 2 and Cobra. What took you so long?
पता नहीं, 2022 में हाँ मेरा लास्ट रिलीज़ था, और उसके बाद कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स आए और पता नहीं वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ मुझे. अगर कुछ करना है तो मुझे अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना, कि इवन आई शुड फील दैट आई शुड डू इट, नॉट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग इट. तो मुझे उतना अर्जेंसी नहीं थी कि चलो करना है, तो मैंने अपने हाल में छोड़ दिया. और तो फाइनली अभी आया ना हिट 3. तो
but it's a big thing to do also, because when you are when you given the biggest hit in Kannada industry, in film industry, you have been flooded with offers at that time. To say no just because to meant कि यार मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ, it takes guts to actually do that.
अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं कि वो कॉन्शियस वो था कि मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ, मैं ऐसे कुछ
Very selective about that.
नहीं ऐसे कि मैं सिर्फ क्रीम लेयर सिलेक्ट करूँ, ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं है. वो क्रीम लेयर वो सब नहीं है. मुझे अगर अच्छा लगता मैं करती, ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा मुझे जो भी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना, कि आप देयर इज नो रूल दैट इफ यू आर a part of a blockbuster, that doesn't guarantee you or it doesn't materialize or convert into movies for you. But sometimes it might or it may not. So it's not a formula ki sometimes you're part of very small movie which did not do well at all, but you might be getting some things.
Right.
Sometimes you're part of blockbuster, it might not convert into work at all. So it's and maybe filmmakers did not like me, or they thought I might not be able to act, so they did not get me the work that I want. So let me, you know,
everyone
let me
wrong.
prove. No, nothing like that. But let me probably show my skill in this movie. Did I show it enough?
You did before also. So
Of course. You were the emotional anchor. In first part in KGF, you were the no nonsense headstrong girl. In second part, you were the emotional anchor. So range तो आपने दिखाया, ऐसी बात तो है नहीं.
Thank you.
Okay. Nani sir, so in first part was Vishwak Sen, second part Adivi. Now after 3, I think we got a face for hit. So I think Arjun Sarkar will be there for next part also.
No, there is a plan to take the universe forward, and then we all come together at some point of time.
मतलब shared universe type.
Correct, like Avengers
Yeah.
or something like that. But Avengers of cops, basically. Yeah, okay, so we have plans for that, but I don't think you'll see me in the
fourth
immediate parts.
Okay.
As not the idea as of now, but you never know.
Never say never.
Never say never, exactly.
Yeah, because I think you were not even ready. I don't think you were even thinking of this would happen.
Correct.
So never say never. उन्होंने सोचा नहीं था कि ये हो जाएगा, but ये हो गया.
ये
तो
हो
पता
गया
नहीं.
तो या कि क्यों
आगे
अभी
भी हो
स्टेटमेंट बनाऊं कि नहीं रहूंगा फोर्ट में.
नहीं, because I think Arjun Sarkar will be the जैसे core member हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे हम Avengers में अगर हम देखते हैं तो that's Iron Man, Captain America, that core team जो वैसे मेरे को लगता है you're the head of this core team.
Not really. I think each one is special in their own way, but yeah, definitely because I'm the producer, I think I get to take that little edge over everyone. Yeah.
Okay, so with your choices, with your filmography, Dasra and now Hit Me, that shot of yours when you just smack a drink and you're like
Yeah.
that shot,
Yeah.
and even in Dasra you actually showed your wild range. So ये जो एक filmography में अभी जो एक बदलाव आया, because जैसा मैंने पिछली बार कहा था, I remember you from Makhi. तो वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक आपको लगता है that finally I'm getting that chance to show that massy avatar also.
No, I think I was equally excited with anything new. What I haven't done, it excites me a lot.
जी.
And I've done a lot of action, I've done a lot of comedy, I've done a lot of very heartwarming films like Jersey and
Jersey,
Hi
of course.
Nana.
Hi Nana. Yeah.
All that. So anything new excites me a lot. So Hit 3 also excited me because it's something new I get to do every day on location, on set. So, and once I think after this, I'm sure I'll jump into other things which are not like this. So.
Okay, so Hit was also remade in Hindi and it was loved by critics, and when it premiered on Netflix, it went very well. मतलब वहाँ पे receive होता था, but हम box office की अगर बात करते तो नहीं चली. How do you look upon to this
Which
reception?
one?
Hit. It was remade in Hindi with Rajkumar Rao.
हाँ, correct.
And
No,
director
I
was
think-
same, no?
I think हाँ, correct. But अभी वो at time I think entire Bollywood एक lull phase में है कोविड के वजह से या number of reasons के वजह से, and you might attribute a lot of reasons for a film not running well these days. मगर Hit 1 जो हिंदी में बनी उसे भी a lot of applause मिला OTT में. तो theatrical run के लिए different reasons होंगे. It had a brilliant actor like Rajkumar and अच्छी script है, अच्छा praise भी मिला. मगर I think during that time we were just walking out of a lockdown or something, and then just the
second
theaters opened. It could be many reasons. We can think and analyze a lot right now, but it is
I
what
think
it is.
when it comes to Jersey also, ना कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक factor भी रहा है. I'm talking about the
Jersey
remake,
also, definitely for
शायद
Jersey also,
वो-
Hindi Jersey also.
because it won good reviews.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
everyone was expecting this is the next big thing after Kabir Singh.
Correct.
But
Yeah.
it didn't work.
It didn't happen. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that also could have been the same reason. It also that just we came out of the COVID times, and then I think during Jersey and all that, the KGF 2 Hawa and the action films mode was going on fully.
During
And
which movie release?
Jersey.
Jersey in
Your
Hindi.
Jersey?
No,
Hindi.
Shahid
Hindi,
Kapoor
Hindi
Jersey.
Jersey.
Oh yeah, KGF 2 was releasing, no?
Yeah, correct. Something
So
like
there
that.
was
happened.
push release की भी आगे पीछे हुआ.
हाँ.
There was postponement.
वो कुछ या बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होंगे कि कौन सी फिल्म है, मगर अच्छा फिल्म बुरा फिल्म तो क्लियर डिफरेंस है, उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा.
जी. So there is one debate that has been happening कि जैसे whenever a movie from South comes, we lap it up, we love it and how. मतलब we have many examples right from Makki. मतलब जब pan India word भी नहीं आता, that time also Magadira, Makki, अपरिचित, तो तमिल and तेलुगु we always. But ये कहीं ना कहीं एक बात हुई है कि जब यहाँ से कोई मूवी जाती है when it goes to South, या ऐसे कुछ रिसेप्शन वैसा नहीं मिलता जैसा मिलता है यहाँ पे मिलता है.
या नहीं,
Okay.
वो ओरिजिनल है, ये बाद में आया। ये जो साउथ को जो प्यार मिल रहा है अभी, ये रीसेंट है, मगर जो बॉलीवुड को प्यार मिलता है साउथ में,
पहले से।
वो तो डिकेड्स है।
Okay.
हाँ, हर एक आदमी वहाँ पे, आप अगर पूछेंगे जो आपका हिंदी फिल्म फेवरेट कौन सा है, तो उसका कोई ना कोई तो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज होगा, अमिताभ बच्चन सर का फिल्म्स या but so many films they will tell you.
Okay.
So we always watched films. हर एक जो ये कुछ होता है, ये दिल तो पागल है, all these films were blockbusters in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And in the south states,
Yeah.
they were big hits. So this is new now that everyone's lapping up South cinema across the country. But Hindi cinema was always slapped up by everyone across the country.
Okay. Because this is something even Salman said कि हमारी पिक्चरें वहाँ नहीं चलती, so वहाँ से एक
नहीं
वो अभी आप लोग
बिना
वैसे लग
चले
रहे हैं,
कैसे
हाँ।
उतना बड़े सुपरस्टार बन 100% चलते हैं, एंड वी ऑल लव हिम, एंड वी ऑल वॉच सो मेनी फिल्म्स। हमारे फेवरेट ये ऑल हम आपके कौन एंड ऑल दैट आर लाइक अ cultural thing there.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम।
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना and all these songs used to play in our weddings also.
Yeah.
So we cannot say that.
Hindi movie was general to everyone, like we all used to watch.
हाँ,
उसमें ऐसा नहीं
maybe
कि
misinterpret किया है उनका स्टेटमेंट। उन्हें पता होगा कि कितना अच्छे फिल्म्स रन हुए हैं वहाँ पे।
Okay. So Hit 3 is releasing on May 1st. तो यहाँ पे हिंदी में कहीं ना कहीं देखते हैं it will be clashing with Ajay sir's Raid 2. What's your take on that?
I don't think it's clashing it. I think
It is also releasing on May 1.
Correct. So please watch Raid 2 first, and in the evening or something, when you again want to watch a great film, please watch Hit 3.
it's always good to have actually 2-3 genres coming
Correct,
on the same day because
correct.
people will have options to choose. है
Choose
ना?
to choose.
जो देखने
And Raid is such a good film. I love Raid, the first part, and Ajay Devgan sir always gave quality products, and he even first time मैं जब मुंबई आया था, मेरा first press meet उनके साथ था।
Of course, Makhi.
मक्खी, हाँ, राजमौली सर और अजय देवगन सर और मैं, और now it feels very good that again our films are coming together. Even in fact, I think with Dasra or with Hainana, when I came here, Ajay Devgan sir every time his film was releasing on the same day.
I guess Drishyam 2?
हाँ, Drishyam 2 या कोई
Drishyam 2
film.
could
I
be
remember
with
this
Hainam.
question happening to me in here Mumbai interview. Same thing, that we are coming on the same day and I have
So
said
is
the
it
same
a
answer.
more than mere coincidence?
Yeah,
Was it
it was,
exactly?
no, we are always coming together. Maybe this is something auspicious for both of us. I look at it like a positive sign. Yeah.
Okay, so you just said I like to explore different genres and not stick to particular genre. Can we expect something on the lines of Makhi again, the lover boy that you played?
Oh yeah, 100%. No, definitely. I love love stories, but I think I'll play age-appropriate love stories now. That's all. Yeah.
That's why it's Hi Nana, no?
Yeah, correct.
Hi Nana is
Exactly.
also
Yeah.
age-appropriate love story. There's
Correct,
a
yeah.
father, daughter,
Haan.
and there's another.
Maybe I'll not play this college boy or a stalker kind of a thing anymore. I'm a little matured for that, but I love love stories, and I would always love to be a part of a beautifully written love story.
श्रीनिधि, आपसे सवाल बनता है कि KGF की अगर हम बात करें तो we can't ignore the love that you got for KGF and that heartbreaking scene of yours. So आज भी जब मिलते हैं तो do you get across people ऐसा कि यार ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, why your character got killed and we cried. What was the reaction that you're still getting till
नहीं,
now?
वो बोलते हैं अभी ऐसे क्यों मार डाल दिया आपको, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, आप नहीं मरना चाहिए, so they say that. But अगर मैं नहीं मरती,
प्रशांत को पूछना है वो question,
है ना, हाँ, क्यों प्रशांत ने मार डाला रीना को? बट ठीक है ना, वो मरने से फिर वो ट्रिगर हो
बहुत
गए।
सताया होगा शूट में,
क्या?
डेट्स या कुछ
मैंने नहीं किया, आप ऐसे मेरा वो क्यों आप नाम खराब कर रहे हो?
देखिए आप राइट वायलेंस ऑन इंटरव्यू ऑन दिया।
कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया। वो प्रशांत ने 2016 में जब मुझे नरेशन दिया था तभी रीना मर गई थी।
अच्छा।
तो आई रिमेम्बर स्टिल व्हेन ही टोल्ड हो गया आपका कैरेक्टर, यू नो, आई एम लाइक पहली मूवी में, बिकॉज तभी तो 2 पार्ट्स का नहीं था, एक ही मूवी था, तो लाइक मेरे पहले मूवी में मुझे मार डाल रहे हो, तो इट वाज ऑलवेज देयर।
Oh, it was always there.
Yeah. But it's very sweet and nice to see.
Yeah, because I loved working with you so much that he made it into 2 parts that he wanted to have more.
Thank you
Yeah,
for covering up the damage that you did before. Thank you.
No, but that's the thing, you know, we all fans who have loved KGF, we all have this one thing, silver lining कि यार KGF 3 है, never say never, रीना
Hit 3
can
आ रही है
come
ना?
back. Hit 3 तो आ रही है, but मैं आपको
1,
उसके
2,
बाद
3.
रीना की बात कर रहा
1, 2,
हूँ.
3, yeah.
रीना की बात, रीना can come back in KGF 3.
रीना will come as यादें में अगर माँ आ गई ना
Maybe
यादें
next you should do Doom 4 or something. No, 1, 2, 3. You've been doing Hit 1, 2, Hit 3. So something you have to join
अब जब मैं
a
4, 5
fourth
ऐसे
film
कर-
franchise.
So that means you have to keep joining the franchise.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so समय की कमी है, but I do have to ask you this कि in this day and age where we are talking about one cinema, one home, you know, there's no language barrier as such. Any actor from Hindi cinema you want to add in the hit franchise, we have Rajkumar Rao, but still any other in the hit franchise, maybe in 4 or 5. Like you said, that you're expanding universe.
Yeah, I don't want to say names and limit myself right now, but I would love to collaborate, and there are so many brilliant actors here, and if things fall in place, and I'm actually planning to take the hit franchise, you know, not just Telugu, into different states and, you know, different languages we're trying. So definitely, why not, if all things fall in place? Yeah.
Because I can see that, you know, the collaboration.
Yeah.
Whenever North and South collab, we explored and we made records. So that's the thing.
Yeah.
So ending on this note and looking forward to Hit 3. Thank you so much and wish you all the best, guys.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
That's it from DNA. Keep watching.